I got products. I got new products, vegan products. I want to let y'all know what's going on in these vegan streets, okay? What do I eat? What things I'm interested in? What am I trying? So today, I got some plant-based chopped chicken, premium Abbott's Butcher, okay? Abbott's Butcher. Now, we do our best possible to stick strictly to plants and not go too much into processed foods, all right? We need replacements, you know, so I'm just brewing some ideas for some of y'all out there that's having a hard time with your transition, okay? So just stick with me now. So the chopped chicken, all right, I already have my waffles cooking over there, so we want to do a good chicken and waffle. So I'm going to grill this chicken, plant-based chicken, you feel me? Season it like I do. Put some, I got chili oil in here, all right? Got my onion powder. My onion powder. Turn it down. My Old Bay. Abbott's, okay? Abbott's plant-based chicken. So, crafted from simple ingredients, no soy, no oil, no GMOs, no gums, no additives. Okay, pea protein, herbs, sea salt, white pepper. All right. 17 grams of protein, 20 mg of potassium, thyme, garlic powder, celery seed. Okay, again, it's just a replacement, all right? Stick to your plants, your kale, your spinach, your chard, your greens, your collards, all right? So Abbott the Butcher, I'm waiting on my free box for this shout out, okay? Like I said, if y'all have a product, I've been getting a lot of vegan products in for me to try. We'll put them on my plant-based social show. And that way, we can all be on the loop for what's out, okay? Now, I ain't gonna cook this too long. Just a little. Go. So, try out the Abbott's chicken, and I'll be getting back with you with some new recipes, okay? I'm gonna let this cook. I know it's gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna eat it with my chicken and waffles, and I'm gonna get back with y'all, okay? Again, we got Abbott's Butcher, which is a good replacement for the chicken craves, the carnivore craves. All right, 100% plant-based. All right, there are also other plant-based mock chickens out there. I know you heard of the tofu turkey, and I'm gonna try this one out as well. So come back, check out my IGTVs, and I'll do a little spill on this one.